I decided to join Wagon because I was looking for a career change, and in my research I've heard great things, and I met a few people who attended the school and they had amazing things to say.
I joined Wagon to be able to do what I want when I want and by myself.
A normal day at the campus is, in a word, intense.
The bootcamp was a great idea to boost my skills in coding.
I was actually a student because I had a lot of ideas or some ideas that I wanted to put in practice and I didn't have the skills to do so. And right after the bootcamp I launched a couple of projects.
So I've learned how to solve programming challenges effectively.
I've learned how to make a web app.
There's this idea that coding is just someone sitting by themselves pumping out programs, but in fact it's a very collaborative process. So I think working with other people is what I've learned most.
Everybody was so friendly and helpful. Even at times where I felt like I was struggling, everybody was so uplifting. It made me very happy to be here.
So if I had to define Wagon in one word, I would say upskilling.
Community.
Intense.
Coding.
Remarkable. The weather's amazing here, the people are incredible, it's a very secure place, and don't forget the food.
The question is, why not Lisbon? I've done a lot of traveling and Lisbon is definitely one of the best cities in the world.